Hi again, it's Marcy from Quick Start Piano for Adults, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we're going to take a peek inside of this book, Alfred's Basic Adult Pop Song Piano Book. This is one of the older books. They have newer, more revised books that have newer choices of music, and so a lot of these older songs I notice are not included in the newer books, and a lot of my students really like these older songs, so I wanted to make sure to have this in my library. So if any of those titles look kind of interesting to you, you might enjoy this. Do not let the level 1 fool you. As with a lot of method books, and this one goes along with their method book, they move really fast, way too fast in my opinion. And I usually I would never put a brand new beginner in this book because they might be able to play the first song, and then after that it jumps up quite a bit. So in comparison, if you have seen my videos talking about the Famous and Fun series, this book, other than the first song, is more comparable to Famous and Fun Book 3, Book 4, and maybe even pushing into Book 5. So I have a couple of books that are easier than this that I like to start with, but when you're ready, there's some very nice pieces in here. So I thought we'd take a little tour, and I'll just play a snatch of each one. So the first one, Over the Rainbow, is the easiest one. Just one note at a time mostly. Once in a while you get to play 2 notes at once. And then we go right into the next one, You Are My Sunshine, and all of a sudden you have your oom-pa bass going on with the melody, which makes things considerably trickier than they started out with the first song. So let's try this one out. Take a peek at the next one here. Love Makes the World Go Round. And you'll notice they keep using that oom-pa pattern over and over again. So if you have reached that point where you're ready to practice that, this could be a really good way to do it because they use it over and over. Okay, here we've got the theme from Love Story. Actually an easier version than some of them that I've seen that are harder, so that could be nice. And we've got Never on Sunday. So I didn't get that quite right. There we go. Don't know this one. I was just reading the notes off the page. I love it when I come across things that I haven't learned before. All right, Shenandoah. It's just got triads in the left hand here. Oh, and I forgot to mention in this book they include, on most of the pieces, they include chord symbols. So that gives you more options for being creative and changing up the arrangement. And so I think this one, it actually feels easier to me than some of the ones before. So you could, if you learned it their way, you could change it up afterwards. And all I've done is, instead of playing the block chord, there's more things like that that you can do in this book. Okay, the next one, Peg of My Heart. And I think, yep, so we're doing jazzy notes here. It's another one that I don't really know. I'm just playing it off the page. It's fun. Fun to get new pieces. Okay, just a closer walk with me. See, we've got Somewhere My Love, a little more oompa on the left hand. And we've got the Johnson rag here, also in jazzy eighth notes, long short pairs. Scott Joplin and other ragtime. Okay, If My Friends Could See Me Now. We're getting through the book here. On the Road Again, good old Willie Nelson. Got one flat in this piece. Symbols, so if you didn't like this, we could come up with another way to realize the chords. Alrighty, For Once in My Life. When I see this one says long short pairs too, so so hopefully I was getting the rhythm the way the original was. You Light Up My Life. I remember this one from my childhood. And then we've got Today. I've just never seen these songs in other books. Willie Nelson, Today, some of the other ones. So that's part of the reason I'm looking at this book, in case you're interested in these gems. We're almost done here. I think this is the last one. Second to the last one. So Heart and Soul. Grew up playing some rote version of this that we taught each other. And then this one is the last. the last one. So I write the songs. It's the last one. So I write the songs. 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 So I write the songs territory. So that sounds like a book you might be interested in. Check it out. If you're my current student, we have it in the lending library. Otherwise, you might check out sheetmusicplus.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss another tutorial or a piano book tour showing you what's inside. So have fun making music, and I will see you in the next video.